ladies. Hey y'all, what's good? I'm back. And alright, so basically I'm just coming back to show y'all my finished product, my finished wig. It's not as straight as I wanted it to be. I don't know, I'm just not a good flat ironer. Is that a word? I'm not sure, but anyway, I'm no good at the get it to bone straight. But then I'm just also thinking, because the hair was like a deep loose wave, that it's hard to get it bone straight. So that's why I feel like I couldn't get it really straight. But you get the idea, right? Look at this hair, bitch. Flawless, ladies. Flawless. Okay, I woke up looking like a porch monkey, but you feel me. I cleaned up nice. You know what I'm saying? But no, anyway, so I'm just back to show y'all my little finished wig or whatnot. This is it, it's the middle part. Okay, turn up. This is that hair I gave y'all a review on. Y'all see that? Ooh, flowing, flowing, looking like what? Okay, but yes, I do want to try to get it a little bit more straight because, baby, I'm trying to be out here. I can't stop touching it. Look at me. I'm just, every time I turn, I'm like, what? What? Who? Excuse me? You talking to me? I'm so stupid. Anyway, so yes, look at the wig. Look at it. I love the method that I tried with leaving the band on. I pretty much am sure that's how I'm going to do the rest of my wigs because this is lit, okay? I didn't have to do too much to it. Just pop this baby on, straighten her out, and we are ready. Hey, you ready? Okay, turn up. I got up and I practiced my makeup this morning. This is for y'all. This is for y'all. I got up and I was like, let me look like something for them, okay? So look at my makeup. Ooh, my wig. Ooh. Okay, girl, yeah. Turn this mother up. All right, y'all. I just wanted to come show y'all my wig, the finished wig. I'm gonna try to get it straighter than this. I haven't had regular color hair in so long that I'm just like, who is this girl? I'm always like in my greens, you know, my blonde, well, not blonde. I'm just so in love with this hair, so definitely go check my girl out. I do recommend, if you want to try to have straight hair, like, cause you know, I like it both. I like if I washed it and don't feel like flat iron it, I want to go curly. That's why I got the loose wave. But if you for sure just want straight hair, order just straight hair because I cannot get it as straight as I want it to be, y'all, because it's really curly when it's wet. But yeah, so I'm so in love with this hair. Definitely check out my girl. I hope you guys enjoyed this little video. I hope you guys like my wig. I hope you guys like my makeup. Look at me, I'm out here. I'm ready. Where the niggas at? No, I'm just playing. Let me stop playing. But anyway, if you like this video, you know what to do. Like, comment, share, and make sure you definitely subscribe to my channel. Leave some comments on how you feel about the look, the makeup, the hair. If you've ever tried my friend's hair before, you never know, because she could be popping out here and everybody could be wearing this already. I could be late, okay? But yes, if you've ever tried her hair, please let me know how you feel about it, okay? And yes, girls. We done, really. I cannot stop touching it. I feel like a loser. All right, y'all. So I'm gonna go and get up out of here. If you didn't see the whole wig making process, I do have a video of me making the wig. Go ahead and check my description box. I will have it linked in there if you want to see my whole process on how I got it done. Okay, if you want to see my review of this hair, I will also have that in the description box below. Y'all feel me? Basically, I got some cool ass shit in that description box, so make sure y'all check it out. Okay, babes, until next time, slay out here. Deuces.
She's a bad thing, fine as hell, thick as fuck, oh my god, that's my baby, Caroline, you divine, mighty fine, shorty really know the price, like a pro,
Fuck you thought.
holy shit, I'm really lit.